Hello, flatties and ballers, and welcome again from the land down under. And here we go with part 2 of the small boat story. Yes, now the weather is much better. We got some more good pictures to look at. And let's see what the story is with the small boats on a fine day. Yes, here we are. It's a fine day, and there's a boat out on the horizon. Now, some people will say, "Oh, that boat's so far away. I can hardly see it. Oh, but let's zoom in. And oh, yeah, now I can see it. See, before I could not see it, and I just zoom in, and then I can see it." So boats never go over the horizon. Yes, it's just zoom. Wrong. Sorry. So first start, this boat is actually not over the horizon. This is another, like I mentioned before, problem with the small boats. And let's just take this photo and we'll just zoom the photo without. Let's not worry about the zoom lens. You can see the boat the boat's always there. It's never not disappeared anywhere. It's there. It's just that we can't see it all that well. But people use this lunacy to say the earth is flat, because I have better examples coming up in the video. It's like, I cannot see the boat, therefore it's over the horizon, or should be. Nope, sorry. These boats are just not that far away. And so I should recommend that for all the location data I've given in part 1 of the video, in case you were wondering. So there's the zoomed in boat. So here we have another photo, and there is a mirage or mirroring effect on the water there, and so there's also a boat there, but if you look carefully you'll see that there's a reflection of the boat. So this part here is the boat, this part is the reflection. This part's the boat, this part's the reflection. So I just verify the location for you, which was Wellington Point on the wall. So that's I've drawn a little line on this photo now, and approximately where the horizon might be based on this mirror that's happening here. If I patch in a little bit of water where we think there should be water, then you can see there's quite a deal of the boat missing. You can see the sails, but there's no hull. And this is already zoomed in, so you can zoom in as much as you like. You're not going to bring that boat back. So that's just some silly myth propagated. It begins somewhere. All the flat earthers, all the flatties just parrot it, without actually trying to test it out properly. Ridiculous. So here it is again. This boat is not over the horizon. This boat, the horizon line's out there, this boat is. You can see I've zoomed and I can see that boat, but I cannot see that boat. And here again, there's some of the reflection of that boat. There's just as well this boat has sails, otherwise you'd never know it was there. And that's why people aren't able to zoom in on small boats that are over the horizon, because you can't see them. But there's one that has sails. You can see it's missing the bottom of the boat. Here it is again. That's the reflection. There, reflection. And while I was here, I took another shot like I did with my last video. And on the wall out towards Amity Point, and we can see these tree lines here. The horizon is about there because we have this reflection going on here that's reflected down there. So we estimate the horizon to be there, so some of the tops of the trees are visible. And then I take another picture from down on the beach, and you can see again, just like last week, that you see less because of the change in elevation. So that didn't change from week to week. And now we have some more, just a picture of some more boats that you can see, mainly sail and little hull. Here's a good one too. Now, working out where the horizon line might be on this one is a little bit tricky because it's hard to tell where the reflection happens there. But clearly though, wherever it is, you can only see part of the boat. The rest is over the curve, ladies and gentlemen. There's not much doubt about that. And here again, this time the reflection down, this part down here is a reflection. So it doesn't matter whether you draw the horizon line there or there. The boat's big enough that you just can't see it all. And again, even if that were the hull, it's not, it's a reflection. You still can't see it all. You can see that reflection there. So here we have, like, somewhere out there, there's a boat. It looks a long way away. So, you know, you can... Oh, look, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, see, I've zoomed in and I can see it now. But it's not over the horizon. Oh, wait a minute. What's this over here? That looks very much like a sail poking out of the water. Oh, could there be a boat under there? Oh, I don't know. I think so. And we zoom out and oh, look, the boat's disappeared again. Oh, that's how it's done, folks. That's how you make boats appear and disappear when they're not over the horizon. They're just not that far away. They just look far away. So, here's another boat. Now, I know how far away this one is because I measured the distance to that island, which is Green Island, and I'll tell you the distance to that island in a short while. Let's take a look at the video. So the boat's going in front of that island, and it zoomed right in. Seems, wow, you know, that must be a long way away because I'm zoomed right in. And then we zoom out, and you can see that island right there where it is. And the boat's gone. The boat's gone. Oh, where'd the boat go? Let's go back again. The boat is there. Oh, boat's gone. But that's only 2.5 miles away, not over the horizon. Oh. So I'm going to make this one a short one, and I managed to find some small boats that didn't go over the horizon and some sailboats that did go over the horizon. And hopefully I've shown you that just zooming in on a small boat doesn't guarantee that you're pulling it back over the horizon. Well, you can never pull it back over the horizon, but you know what I mean. Get out there and take some pictures yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.